Imagine standing on your balcony, gazing up at the stars, when suddenly all your electronic devices light up simultaneously. A single line appears on every screen. We have been observing you for a long time. This isn't a sci-fi movie plot. It's a possibility publicly discussed by a former NASA administrator during a congressional hearing. Even more startling, the odds of this scenario happening are 1,000 times higher than winning the lottery tomorrow. Are there extraterrestrials in the universe? Why have we searched for half a century and found nothing? Today, in 15 minutes, we'll unpack this ultimate question that shapes the fate of human civilization. The answer may rewrite everything you thought you knew. To answer whether aliens exist, we first need to grasp how crowded the universe is. You've probably heard the universe is big, but that's too vague. Let's use an analogy. If the Milky Way were scaled down to a football stadium, the sun would be a grain of sand on the sidelines, and Earth no more than an atom on that grain. Yet there are at least 2 trillion such football stadiums in the observable universe. Crucially, each star has an average of 1 to 2 planets, like sand grains on the field with their own specks of dust. Astronomers have discovered over 5,000 exoplanets in the Milky Way, more than 100 of which lie in their star's habitable zone, where temperatures allow liquid water, just like Earth's position in the solar system. A simple calculation: the Milky Way alone could host 1 billion Earth-like planets. Even if the probability of life arising is 1 in 1 billion, there should still be 10 civilizations in our galaxy. That's just the tip of the observable iceberg. So the question isn't if aliens exist, it's where are they? We aren't just waiting for aliens to visit. Over the past 50 years, humanity has launched 4 large-scale search initiatives. First, radio telescope arrays, like Earth's cosmic ears, constantly listening for abnormal signals from deep space. The giant FAST telescope can detect electromagnetic signals from 13.7 billion light-years away, equivalent to picking up a phone call from the moon. Second, exoplanet transit observations. When a planet passes in front of its star, it slightly dims the star's brightness, like someone covering a flashlight with their finger. We analyze these tiny changes to study the planet's atmospheric composition. Detecting both oxygen and methane could signal biological activity. Third, deep space probes. Voyagers 1 and 2 carry messages from humanity, including Earth's location, human DNA structure, and classical music, and have now exited the solar system. But reaching the nearest star will take 40,000 years. Fourth, the SETI program, which uses supercomputers to analyze massive data sets for non-naturally occurring signals. To date, we've only received one potential candidate, the 1977 WOW signal, which lasted 72 seconds and matched the frequency of hydrogen atom radiation, yet never reappeared. These search results lead to the famous Fermi paradox. The universe is vast, with countless planets, so why haven't we seen any signs of extraterrestrial civilizations? Scientists have proposed 10 mainstream explanations. 1. The rare Earth hypothesis. Earth's position is uniquely fortunate, within the Milky Way's habitable zone, protected by Jupiter from asteroid impacts, and stabilized by the Moon's gravity. The odds of all these conditions aligning are extremely low. 2. The origin of life is a bottleneck. The process of organic molecules forming life may be far more complex than we imagine. Earth took 1 billion years to develop single-celled organisms, and many planets may not have had enough time. 3. Technological stagnation. Civilizations may hit insurmountable technical barriers, like failing to master controlled nuclear fusion, or being destroyed by AI rebellion, climate crisis, or nuclear war, threats humanity faces today. 4. The dark forest theory. Extraterrestrial civilizations may deliberately hide to avoid detection and destruction by more advanced species, like hunters staying silent in a pitch-black forest. 5. Our technology is too primitive. Aliens might communicate via gravitational waves or neutrinos, while we're still listening for radio signals, like cavemen searching for cell phone signals. 6. The universe is too young. The observable universe is 13.8 billion years old, but civilizations may need much longer to develop interstellar communication. 7. Aliens are already here. We just can't recognize them. They might be microscopic, energy-based, or exist in forms beyond our comprehension. 8. Parallel universes. Extraterrestrial civilizations exist in other universes forever out of our reach. 9. Civilizations turn inward. Aliens may be obsessed with virtual worlds and no longer care about the external universe. 10. We are the first. Humanity is the universe's first civilization, tasked with seeding life elsewhere. If extraterrestrial civilizations exist, what would they look like? Imagine a Type 2 civilization, on the Kardashev scale, capable of harnessing an entire star's energy. They might build a Dyson sphere, a massive structure surrounding the star, to convert its light and heat into power. From a distance, the star would appear to dim suddenly, blocked by the sphere. Astronomers have observed stars with unexplained brightness drops, like KIC 846-2852, which once dimmed by 22%. No natural explanation has been found. Type 3 civilizations could harness the energy of an entire galaxy, manipulating black holes for interstellar communication via gravitational lensing, or even altering star orbits. Picture navigating space and witnessing a star change direction. That could be an alien civilization's engineering project. More advanced civilizations might transcend the speed of light or master time travel, existing not as carbon-based life, but as collective consciousnesses of information and energy, traveling freely to observe life evolution across planets. 2023 brought 3 exciting developments in astronomy that boost the likelihood of alien existence. First, Canada's CHIME telescope detected 13 fast radio bursts, FRBs, including one repeating signal from 1.5 billion light-years away. FRBs release more energy in 1 second than the Sun does in 80 years. No known natural phenomenon can explain this. It could be a beacon from an extraterrestrial civilization. Second, the James Webb Space Telescope detected methane, carbon dioxide, and dimethyl sulfide, a molecule primarily produced by biological activity on Earth, in the atmosphere of exoplanet K2-18b. Located in its star's habitable zone and 8 times Earth's mass, it may be a super-Earth. Third, the U.S. Pentagon declassified 174 unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, cases, 51 of which remain unexplained. These objects exhibit flight capabilities beyond human technology, rapid turns with no visible propulsion systems. While none of these prove alien existence, they bring us closer to the truth. What if we actually make contact with an extraterrestrial civilization? There could be 2 drastically different outcomes. Best case scenario, the civilization is more advanced and willing to share technology and knowledge. They might teach us controlled nuclear fusion to solve the energy crisis, or provide cures for diseases, catapulting human civilization forward. We could learn new philosophies and cultures, embrace cosmic diversity, and even join an interstellar alliance to explore the universe's mysteries. Worst-case scenario, the civilization sees Earth as a resource colony, like European colonizers viewed the Americas. They might plunder Earth's minerals or use humans as test subjects, threatening human extinction. Middle ground. The civilization is indifferent, simply saying hello before continuing their interstellar journey, like us pausing to glance at an anthill without communicating with the ants. Whatever the outcome, contact would rewrite human history and force us to. Let's return to the original question. Do aliens exist? The answer itself doesn't matter. What matters is the thinking behind it. Why are humans so obsessed with finding aliens? Because we fear loneliness. In the vast universe, Earth is like a lonely boat, and we crave companions to prove our existence isn't an accident. Yet this loneliness is what makes human life precious. We are the only known intelligent life in the universe, tasked with exploring the cosmos and preserving civilization. Every scientific discovery and technological breakthrough adds meaning to the universe. Even if aliens exist, they can't replace humanity's uniqueness. Our culture, history, art, and emotions are irreplaceable cosmic treasures. If aliens don't exist, we must cherish Earth even more, the only known home for life in the universe. Regardless of the future, humanity's quest to explore the universe will never end. Curiosity is our nature. Exploration is the foundation of civilization. Searching for aliens is also a journey of self-discovery. It reveals how fragile Earth is and how small human civilization is, but also showcases our potential and hope. Over centuries, we've moved from the geocentric to heliocentric model, from telescopes to space probes, from landing on the moon to exploring Mars, each step pushing our limits. Today, we face climate crisis, resource scarcity, and technological bottlenecks. But viewing these problems from a cosmic perspective shows they are solvable. If humanity unites and leverages its wisdom and creativity, we can overcome obstacles and move toward a distant future. Searching for aliens isn't just about finding companions. It's about inspiring ourselves to keep progressing, keep exploring, and make human civilization shine brighter in the universe. Discussions about aliens often fall prey to misconceptions. Let's clarify them. 1. Aliens must look like humans. Life forms depend on planetary environments. On a planet with 10x Earth's gravity, life might be short and stocky. In zero gravity, it could be floating. 2. Alien technology is definitely more advanced. Less developed civilizations may exist, stuck in primitive societies unable to communicate interstellarly. 3. Aliens will actively attack Earth. Probabilistically, advanced civilizations may become more rational and peaceful. Violence and war hinder progress. 4. We've searched the entire universe. In reality, we've only scanned a tiny fraction of the Milky Way, like searching for a needle in the ocean by sifting one small puddle. 5. No evidence means no existence. In science, absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. Not finding aliens doesn't prove they don't exist. We just haven't looked in the right place yet. In the next decade, humanity will launch more powerful initiatives to find extraterrestrial civilizations. First, the Square Kilometer Array, SK, a network of thousands of antennas 50x more sensitive than current telescopes, capable of listening to distant cosmic signals. Second, follow-up missions to the James Webb Space Telescope, analyzing atmospheres of more exoplanets for biological chemical signatures. Third, Breakthrough Listen, a $100 million project initiated by Stephen Hawking, using the world's most powerful telescopes to search for signals from 1 million stars. Fourth, interstellar probe programs. Scientists are developing probes that can reach 10% the speed of light, reaching the nearest star in 40 years to explore its planetary system. These programs give us reason to believe, in the next few decades, we may get a definitive answer about alien existence. That day will be humanity's greatest milestone. The universe's vastness is beyond imagination, and life's existence is a miracle. Aliens may reside in distant galaxies or right beside us, waiting to be discovered. Human civilization is like a child just learning to walk, cautiously exploring the universe's giant playground. Whether we find aliens or not, this journey will make us more mature and wise. If you're curious about the cosmos, don't forget to like and follow. Let's witness the next miracle of human civilization together. Do you think aliens exist? What do you think they look like? Share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.